everyone, welcome back to our cooking channel, Mommy and Me Time. My name is Caroline and this is my beautiful daughter,
Delilah.
And today we'll be cooking
Ceviche de pescado.
Can we start off with the ingredients we'll need today?
We'll need cilantro, onion, cucumber, mango, orange, tomatoes, lemons,
Tilapia fish.
tilapia fish, and for the seasoning, we'll need seasoning sauce, salt, and pepper. And for the garnish, we need avocado.
Avocado is optional, and to serve it, you can use either tostadas or tortilla chips or saltine cookies. We don't have any crackers, but that's another option you can have. And we're going to go ahead and start off with cutting the fish and putting it in a lemon juice to season it with salt, pepper, and seasoning. We went ahead and we diced the tilapia into very thin cubes. We personally do not like our tilapia or fish grounded, so we like to dice it. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go ahead and add the lemon juice that we've already squeezed. That's going to be your personal choice of how much lemon juice you want. We usually add enough to cover the fish only. Go ahead, Mama. You got to go slowly, okay? Okay, once we've already added the lemon, we'll go ahead and flavor it with a little bit of salt. That's your personal taste. And we're going to go ahead and add pepper and give it a quick stir. We'll go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for about, I would say, half an hour. What you can do is maybe within 10-15 minutes that it's been in the refrigerator, go ahead and give it a stir and go ahead and throw it back into your refrigerator. While that is cooking, you'll go ahead and start dicing your veggies. Okay guys, so for the veggies, we've already went ahead and cut the veggies. We've used half an onion. We've used about 3/4 of the mango. That's your personal choice of how you like your veggies and depending on how much fish you actually do plan on cooking. We did about half the branch for cilantro. We used 1.5 tomatoes. And for the cucumber, we went ahead and we used half a cucumber. But here's the thing. What we did with tomato and the cucumber, my daughter's going to show you right now. Go ahead.
We scooped out the seeds and put them here for both of them.
Careful with the knife.
And, yeah.
Okay, guys, so what do we do when we're using sharp objects, Delilah?
Make sure to have parent supervision of when using sharp objects like this.
Okay, so next what we're going to do, it's already been 15 minutes. We've already taken out the fish and we've already mixed it in. We're going to wait about 15 more minutes before we can start adding on our veggies. Okay guys, so the fish has already been in the refrigerator for about half an hour, cooking in its lemon juice, and this is what it's going to start looking like. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and start adding our veggies. You can add them however you like. This is the way we prefer to add them. I'm going to go ahead and name them, and my daughter's going to start dumping into the tray. So we're going to start off with the onion.
You have to do it carefully though. And it's going to fall out like that.
Then I like to continue on with the tomato. I like to add the cucumber. Cilantro, my favorite by the way. I feel like it gives it an amazing flavor. And lastly,
Mango.
so once we've already added our veggies, we're going to start stirring it. Go ahead and start stirring, Mama, with the spoon that we already have in there. Carefully, okay? You have to make sure it's all distributed. Mix, mix, mix. Now that she's been stirring it, what we're going to do, we're going to add our last personal touches and what we feel changes it because we're doing I would say a balance of sweet and sour. So we're going to go ahead and add our orange juice. I used half an orange, so I'm going to have my daughter squeeze it in. Be careful with the seeds. So once we've already added the orange juice, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add our seasoning juice. This is your personal choice and taste. I would say add a few drops in it, and from there on, continue stirring it. Keep trying it to see if it needs any more salt. That's the time where you're gonna start adding whatever flavor you want to continue adding. Go ahead and add a little bit, Mama. Yeah, I would say that's enough for now. We'll go ahead and start stirring it, and we'll taste it. So now the last and our favorite thing to do is to try
it.
the food.
Taste
Correct.
test.
Alright guys, and this is for the final review. It is our favorite time. It is
The taste test.
the taste test. You can always go ahead and add your personal salsa, and you can go ahead and add, if you have it available, it's called salsa cevichera. It's your personal choice as well. Since my daughter's going to be the one trying it, we're going to keep it plain, no salsas. So go ahead, mamas, and go ahead and give it a bite. Oh, be careful.
10 out of 10.
Alright, and that is that, guys. Thank you
And
for watching.
Shout out to the cameraman, my dad. Love you.